Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In today's video, I will teach you how to use UnitedHealthcare UCard to purchase products. So as you know guys, the UnitedHealthcare UCard is a flexible benefits card that can be used to buy approved health-related products, pay for utilities, and access other benefits depending on your specific Medicare Advantage or dual special needs plan. Here is how to use the UCard for purchasing products. First of all, you need to check your UCard balance and benefits. Before making a purchase, verify your balance and what items are covered. You can check this by logging into your UCard hub at UHC member website, using the United Healthcare mobile app, or calling the number on the back of your UCard. And now let's go on the most important part where you can use your UCard. Your UCard can be used at participating retail stores like Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, and some grocery stores, online at select retailers, and you can use it on phone orders. Shopping for eligible products. If your plan includes an OTC, which is over-the-counter benefit, you can use your UCard to buy eligible items like vitamins, pain relievers, bandages, and first aid supplies. Some plans offer a healthy food benefit for purchasing fresh fruits, vegetables, dairy, and other essentials. Paying with UCard. In store, you need to swipe your UCard like a debit card at register. Online, you need to enter your UCard details at checkout for approved purchases. By phone, provide your UCard number when ordering from an approved catalog. Additional benefits. Some plans allow you to use UCard for utility bills like electricity, water and gas, or the counter drugs and health products and transportation services, guys. So that's how you can use your United Healthcare UCard. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.